Today we're venturing into the realm of the truly surreal. These are the places that stretch the imagination, that seem more like the backdrop of a fantastical dream or a science fiction movie than real, tangible locations on our own planet. We're going on a virtual tour to places that will make your jaw drop. First stop, the door to hell. And no, I'm not talking about your ex's house. We're talking about the Dovez crater in Turkmenistan. Picture this, a fiery, gas-filled crater stretching 70 meters across. This blazing spectacle isn't a natural wonder, but a man-made mishap from a Soviet drilling rig gone awry in 1971. The rig punctured a natural gas pocket, and fearing dangerous gases would escape, scientists set the crater ablaze, expecting it would burn out in a few weeks. Fast forward over 50 years and the flames are still dancing. The locals fittingly named this ceaseless inferno the door to hell. It's an eerie yet fascinating sight that draws in curious souls from around the globe. And let's face it, there's something oddly appealing about a fiery pit that refuses to quit. Next, we're off to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flats, featuring the phenomenon of the world's largest mirror, a sprawling salt flat that stretches as far as the eye can see. Imagine your typical mirror, then supersize it. That's Salar de Uyuni for you. This surreal place is like a giant artist's canvas painted with a palette of salt and sky. When the rains come, it transforms into an enormous mirror, reflecting the world above in perfect symmetry. It's like walking on a cloud or a dream, and it's hard to tell where the earth ends and the sky begins. So, if you ever wanted to walk on clouds, this is your chance. Now let's cool down a bit, and by a bit, I mean inside an ice cave in Iceland. Welcome to the Skaftafell Ice Cave, a mesmerizing world of blue ice that could make even Elsa from Frozen green with envy. These caves are formed by the relentless forces of nature, the melting and freezing of glacial ice over thousands of years. It's like stepping into a chilly, crystalline wonderland. Inside the ice caves are a symphony of blue hues, each more enchanting than the last. The walls glisten like giant sapphires, casting an ethereal glow that can make anyone forget the cold. It's like stepping into a giant blueberry popsicle, only without the sticky aftermath. And don't forget the amazing acoustics that come with this experience inside there. But don't let the beauty fool you. It's a frosty paradise in there. A rainbow in the ground. Welcome to Zhangye Danxia, located in China's Gansu province. This geological wonder is like a dream world, with layers upon layers of colorful sandstone and minerals compressed over millions of years. Imagine a gigantic layered cake, but instead of frosting and sponge, you've got reds, greens, yellows, and blues, all naturally baked by time and pressure. So how did this happen? Well, over 24 million years ago, tectonic plates shifted, pushing up sedimentary rock layers, which then weathered into the breathtaking topography we see today. It's like nature's own tie-dye experiment, only on a grand geological scale. And the result? A surreal landscape that makes you feel like you've stepped into a painting. It's not your average rocky view, it's a riot of colors, a feast for the eyes, a kaleidoscope set in stone. Now let's dive into a giant sinkhole. Picture this. You're in Belize, and beneath you lies a colossal underwater sinkhole, affectionately known as the Great Blue Hole. This surreal natural wonder didn't just appear overnight, it's the result of countless centuries of erosion that eventually caused the ground to collapse, forming this marine masterpiece. Now, diving into a sinkhole might sound like a nightmare to some, especially those with a fear of the unknown. But here's a twist. Imagine plunging into the azure depths, surrounded by the vibrant marine life and the intricate formations of stalactites. It's like entering an entirely different world, one that's both eerie and enchantingly beautiful. Nestled in the heart of Turkey, Pamukkale, or Cotton Castle, is a surreal wonder of nature. These ethereal white terraces have been formed over thousands of years by mineral-rich thermal waters, leaving behind a cascading series of cottony pools. Imagine stepping into a bathtub, but instead of the usual porcelain confines, you're surrounded by gleaming white terraces and pools of warm, soothing water. And it's not just about the baths. The terraces themselves are a sight to behold. Pamukkale is an extraordinary destination that seamlessly blends breathtaking natural beauty, rich ancient history, and the opportunity for a rejuvenating spa day. The Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone, a kaleidoscope of colors in a landscape of geysers and wildlife. This is not your average hot spring. It's actually the third largest in the world, but what really sets it apart is its stunning color palette. a vivid masterpiece painted by Mother Nature herself. The colors are not just for show, they are created by heat-loving bacteria which thrive in the scorching waters. Each color represents a different temperature, with blue indicating the hottest and orange, yellow and green marking cooler zones. It's like a natural thermal map, only much more Instagrammable. Imagine a jacuzzi, but instead of uniform blue or white, it's a swirl of rainbow hues. Picture dipping your toes into a watercolor painting, feeling the warmth seep into your skin, only without actual dipping. It's boiling hot, after all. The temperature of the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park is approximately 70 degrees Celsius. If you want to see a rainbow in a hot tub, here's your chance. Next on our list is the surreal landscape of Egypt's White Desert. Imagine a desert, but instead of the usual golden dunes, you see a sea of white. The White Desert of Egypt is known for its dramatic chalk formations, sculpted by wind and sand over thousands of years. It's as if nature herself decided to create her own abstract art exhibition. These formations range from mushroom-shaped structures to other bizarre and intricate shapes, appearing like ice sculptures on a canvas of sand. But don't be fooled by the snow-like appearance. It's not cold here, in fact, it's quite the opposite. And amidst this alien landscape, life thrives. Foxes, gazelles, and various bird species call this place home, adding a touch of the familiar in the stark, strange beauty of the desert. This otherworldly landscape, a testament to nature's whims and the relentless forces of erosion, is a must-visit for any intrepid traveler. After all, how often do you get to walk in a desert that looks like it's been dusted with snow? From the stark, white beauty of Egypt's desert, we now submerge into the mesmerizing illusion of the Mauritius underwater waterfall. This stunning spectacle, located at the southwestern tip of the island, isn't a waterfall at all. Instead, it's a breathtaking optical illusion created by the movement of sand and silt deposits, which are pushed around by the powerful underwater currents. From above, the flow of these materials creates a dramatic impression of a waterfall cascading down into the depths of the ocean. This surreal sight is a popular spot for aerial photography, with the azure waters surrounding the illusion adding to the magic. This underwater spectacle, a testament to the Earth's ability to constantly surprise and intrigue us, truly makes Mauritius a magical destination. From the underwater illusion of Mauritius, we now journey to the stunning marble caves in Patagonia, Chile. Nestled in the remote Patagonian Andes, the marble caves are a unique geological formation, sculpted by the clear waters of General Carrera Lake over thousands of years. These caves, made entirely of calcite marble, are a labyrinth of tunnels and pillars created by wave action over the millennia. The reflection of the turquoise water on the white marble creates a mesmerizing display of natural art, painting a surreal picture that changes throughout the day as the sun shifts in the sky. The radiant blue and gray hues reflected on the cavern walls create an otherworldly atmosphere that leaves visitors in awe of nature's artistic prowess. This surreal destination is accessible only by boat, adding to the adventure of visiting this hidden wonder. The journey across the lake, surrounded by the rugged Patagonian landscape, is a thrilling experience in itself, making the marble caves a must-visit for any adventurous traveler. The marble caves are a testament to the Earth's artistic prowess, sculpting beauty in the most unexpected places. As we explore these stunning caves, we are reminded once again of the Earth's ability to astound and inspire. So keep your explorer's hat on. The Earth is full of surprises. You just have to know where to look, or, watch more videos. If you were enthralled by Earth's unbelievable destinations, get ready for another extraordinary adventure to the deepest realms we have ever explored. Prepare to be awe-inspired by the unimaginable wonders of the world's deepest destinations. Click on the next video and dive in.